students. Today we will discuss about the rules for writing the formula of mononuclear coordination compounds. Coordination compounds are those compounds in which central atom surrounded by number of ligands through coordinate bond, and all these central atom and number of ligands are enclosed in a square bracket. That is the coordination entity or coordination sphere. If name of the coordination compound is given to you, how will you write the formula of coordination compound? For writing the coordination compound for mononuclear compound, we have number of rules. Rule number 1. Better first rule is same as writing the normal compound, as writing the simple salt. Simple salt is written first the cation, then anion. In coordination compound, first rule, cation is written first, then anion or anions. Maybe same type of anion is there or maybe different type of anions are there. First rule is same as the formula of cation, whether the simple compound or complex, is written first, then followed by anion or number of anions. Second, the formula of entire coordination compound that may be charged or may not be charged, that may carry any charge or may not carry any charge. Whole of the formula of coordination compound may be charged or not charged is enclosed in square bracket. If any charge present, written outside. Not present, does not require, that is the neutral complex. But whole formula of coordination compound must be written in square bracket or coordination sphere or coordination entity. You may say anything. Next, first rule, cation is written first. Second, coordination compound must be enclosed in square bracket. That is, cation as well as number of ligands surrounds the cation surrounds the central atom is enclosed in square bracket. This square bracket is known as coordination sphere or coordination entity. Now, next and important rule, in the square bracket, first of all, inside the square bracket, first of all, we must represent the symbol of central metal atom or ion. Central metal atom or ion. Only symbol. First of all, write the symbol of central metal atom or ion. Then write the donor species. If all the donor species are same, then number of donor species must be represented as subscript of the ligand. This type of complex that contain all the donor species of same kind is homoleptic. Homoleptic complexes. For homoleptic complexes, first of all, we must write central metal atom or ion, only symbol. Then number of ligands, which ligands surround the central metal atom, and how many ligands may be represented in subscript, and that must be enclosed in square bracket. If this ligand is not monodentate, it is bidentate, didentate, tridentate or polydentate, this ligand must be represented in parenthesis or simple bracket. If it is monodentate and monoatomic, that square bracket is not necessary. If our complex is not homoleptic, our complex is heteroleptic. Heteroleptic means two or more kind of ligands are there. Then how arrange these ligands? Inside the square bracket, first of all write the centimetal atom or centimetal ion, only symbol, not the charge. Then different kind of ligands are arranged alphabetically. Beta, this rule is changed from 2 to 3 years, not very ancient. At the past, it must be followed negative ion, neutral ion and cation. Before that, before 1990, neutral, anion and cation. From 1990, anion, neutral, cation. Nowadays, number of different type of ligands are arranged. Different ligands are arranged in alphabetical order inside the square bracket. Inside the square bracket, as the name of ligand, first letter of the ligand alphabetically is identified and written first. For example, suppose we have water, amine, water and amine. In case of ligand, water is known as aqua, and in case of ligand, ammonia is represented as amine. Which one is alphabetically first? Alphabetically first is this one. First letter same, then move to second letter. Second letter, here is M, here is Q. M is alphabetically previous as compared to Q. So, centimetal atom or ion, then represent ammonia, that is amine as ligand first, and then water. And must represent the number of ligands as subscript. So first rule, cation is written first as compared to anion, according as the compound may be simple compound or may be complex. Second, whole formula of the complex must be written in square bracket. Third, inside the square bracket, first write the symbol of metal atom or ion, then ligands and number of ligands as subscript. If our complex is homoleptic, this formula is okay. This ligand may be monodentate, bidentate, tridentate or polydentate. For monodentate, parenthesis may be required or not be required, but for polydentate, bidentate, tridentate, hexadentate, anything, simple bracket must be required. In case of monodentate ligands, if it is monoatomic, simple bracket is not required. You may write or may not be right. But if it is polyatomic, square bracket is necessary. For heteroleptic, first of all, inside the square bracket, represent the centimetal atom or ion, and then identify the ligands alphabetically. And ligands are arranged alphabetically irrespective of their number. Then our next rule, to represent the formula. If the formula of only the complex ion, the coordination sphere must be written without writing the counter ion. Only charge is represented on the square bracket. Only charge will be represented on the square bracket. Suppose we have complex only. There is no counter ion. The complex must be written inside the square bracket. Counter ion means the negative ion or positive ion present outside the sphere. If we don't have any counter ion, we must write charge as superscript of the square bracket. How many? +1, -1, +2, -2, as much the charge. And last rule, that is number of cations or anions must be calculated to balance the charge. On the basis of these rules, we may write the formula of complexes as, for example, beta, we have a compound hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. Hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. It is the name of complex. After the oxidation number, it is counter ion. If counter ion is not present, here is word ion. That means there is no counter ion. If any word given after the oxidation state, that means the counter ion. That means it is counter ion. And now start to write the formula of complex. First of all, you identify which ligand. Amine. How many ligands? Hexa means 6. Centimetal atom is cobalt. Cobalt carry oxidation state. Beta, metal always carry positive oxidation state. Number of oxidation state is here. Now, what is the charge on amine? Answer is 0. Calculate in the square bracket. First of all, centimetal atom, symbol of centimetal atom. Then ligand. Our ligand is amine. It is polyatomic or diatomic, so must be written in simple bracket. How many ligands? Answer is 6. 6 is represented as subscript. And how many charge present here? Ion means it is charged species. What is the charge here? You will calculate the charge. Beta, oxidation number of cobalt is given in the statement, that is +3. How many ligands? 6. What is the oxidation number or charge on ligand? It is 0 is equal to x. +3 is equal to x. Means here charge present is +3. Charge present is +3. If there is no ion, there is chloride. Original statement is chloride. If there is chloride means chlorine. That means you must write chlorine. This is the counter ion present outside the coordination sphere. Present outside the coordination sphere. How many chlorine applied? Chloride ion carry -1 charge. Beta, our last rule. Number of cation or anion acts as counter ion must be numbered to balance the charge. Beta, here is the charge +3. Charge of chlorine is -1, remaining is +2. I want 0 here. That means it is also 3. Charge is removed. Number of counter ion must not be given according in name or in statement. Number must be calculated to balance the charge present on complex ion. It is the formula to write the mononuclear coordination compound. First rule, cation first followed by anion, either the complex or simple compound. Second, that must be written in square bracket. Third, first of all write the symbol of centimetal atom or ion, then ligand. If ligand is monoatomic, bracket is not necessary. If it is polyatomic, simple bracket must be required. Then write the number of ligand. How many ligands surround the sentimental atom. Then square bracket is closed. Now calculate the charge by putting X. If counter ion is there or before, then number of counter ion must be calculated to balance the charge. That means charge become neutralized here. Here charge is +3. We apply -3. Charge is neutralized. Charge is neutralized. If there is the complex, there is another complex that consists of 2 or more kind of ligands. That consists of 2 or more kind of ligands. How you will arrange? Example, triamine tetrachloro platinum 4. Triamine trichloro. Triamine trichloro platinum 4. Then what happened? Ion means square bracket carry any charge either positive or negative. First of all, identify ligands amine and chloro. Formula of amine is NH3. Formula of chloro is Cl. How many amines? Tri. That means these are 3. How many chloro? These are also tri. 3. Sentimental atom is platinum, written first. All these are enclosed in square bracket. Now calculate the charge. X. Platinum है +4. बेटा Roman letter represent after the name of complex is oxidation number. Oxidation number of platinum is +4. How many amines? 3. Charge of amine neutral 0. How many chlorine? 3. What is the charge? -1 is equal to X. +4 + 0 - 3 is equal to X. X is equal to +1. That means here charge is plus positive. Either you write +1 or single positive. It is the formula. If there is no ion, there is bromide. That means bromine carry -1, this carry +1. No need to balance the charge, it is automatically balanced. -1 +1, that is neutralized. You will practice like this. Beta amine first because it is alphabetically first. Amine, chloro, alphabetically amine is first. You must write amine first. Thank you.